Are you able to hear me? I am Ugyen Tenzin.
If you're hearing my voice, then I'll show you for the Electronic Diversity Visa Program 2026. So what you will have to do to get it done by yourself, click the link below to begin the entry process. If you're interested in the DV lottery program for 2026, you can apply through the official website starting from October 2024 to November 5, 2024. The entry will be submitted to the DV 2026 processing. Is your passport photo the correct size for the DV lottery application? Your case will be disqualified if you submit a non-compliant photo. We'll try to scan by the lottery run by the state government of the US. Now, if you go to the photo section here, so these are the examples of photos how you should upload to the website, depending on your pictures of you had taken by your devices. And if you just go the next to this pictures, you will find a tools. With the blue box you will see as in this section. For examples of acceptable photos, click the button below. And just below that you will also find already have a photo. You can choose your own photo from the device or the folder you had saved. Where you can upload your photo, go and click on it. And then find folder that want to upload your pictures. When you click onto the photo that you want to upload, it will directly onto the website. These are the passport pictures taken with my DSLR camera. If you want to know about how to take good picture with smartphone, that comment me in the comment section below. With this image that's right here, I will click on it and then resize it. When you click on the button, it will show the tutorial how to crop your picture. Then you want to do it by yourself, then click on the red button to close the tutorial. Now I will close this tutorial and proceed with our own picture. Close the tutorial photo. Now I will try on my own picture to show you, and then take to the photo that is uploaded here. I will do it on the screen as soon as I close the tutorial. Make sure that your background is plain white in color when you take picture with your phone or camera. After doing that, it will automatically save the settings, then you can download the picture. To download the passport size photo, you can click on green button. So it will now, I will accept it after everything is done. To download the passport size photo, by hitting the down just below the choose button, new folder section, there will be a button to download. Your download straight away goes into your system. To find out your picture, click on this folder download. Find out on your system folder download and rename it. As I have just renamed, now you can copy and put it into the folder that you have saved to it. So here you go, you got this one. This is how a passport size photo just can be done by DV Lottery Visa website. These are my pictures that are cropped properly and it's ready to upload on the website for DV 2026. So this is how you can do it by yourself and you don't have to spend any money to do this. Once you have done with all the pictures you want to upload, go to the website and upload it. Have link in the description below for uploading. I'll have another video, so for that please comment me in the comment section for another video, how to successfully apply for the DV Lottery 2026 step-by-step guide. Please like, comment and share this video to support me to help people in need. Green card through the DV Lottery. Watch this comprehensive guide to navigate the process smoothly. Thanks for watching me on my YouTube channel.